Hey, what's up everyone? This is your boy Ralph here with another tech review. Well, I'll try it before you buy it. And today I will be reviewing the Jabra Elite 65T True Wireless Earbuds and Charging Case in titanium black. And it currently runs for $169.99 plus tax and free shipping. And I will leave a link in the description below. Now, they claim to have superior sound with dual microphone technology in each earbud and true wireless stability to reduce call and music dropouts. You can personalize your music with customizable equalizer profiles. Up to 5 hours of battery life and up to 15 hours with the charging case. Now you get up to 2 years of dust and water resistant warranty, and that's registration via Jabra Sound plus app required. And they have one-touch access to Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google now. And it does have 4 microphones to enhance your sound and 5.0 Bluetooth technology. All right, here's for the unboxing. And what we get in this bad boy here. I believe it goes like that. It's pretty nice. I believe we get here. Superior sound starts with superior fit. Probably the earbuds, probably the cases, the charging cables as well. Standard books. 4 ear tips. And your charging cable. Rude. I can get these suckers out. Okay, let's see if these Jabra Elite 65T are as good as they say. Let's see if it's worth the $170. I'll take them out to the gym and maybe get something to eat. Let's go check them out. All right, as I am on my way to the gym, I have to say they are a little uncomfortable. They're made out of all plastic in a titanium finish. As I am waiting in the train station, the noise around me is pretty faint, but overall it does a good job blocking out most of the noise of your surrounding area. And as for music quality, great sounding coming out the speakers. You got some good highs, you got some good lows. The mid-range is great as well. Overall pretty good on the music end. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they do a good job blocking out the outside noise. But let's say you are in the gym and you want to hear someone talk without taking them off. You will click on the right button twice and you will be able to hear them talk or hear outside noise as well. Now guys, I do have to apologize. I cannot use a smart device in the gym because they were doing a photo shoot. Some supermodel was in there, I have no idea. But anyway, these were great in the gym. They do not come off at all. Okay, that is a go. I also have to mention, while on a call or using the headsets for music, you will hear the music or the call coming in and out. I guess that's because of the sensors. I'm not sure what it was, but the call or the music was coming in and out, and that was pretty annoying. Now, comparing it to my AirPods, I have to say my AirPods work much better. Not because I'm an Apple fan, just because they just do. Now, as far as noise reduction, I have to give it to the Jabra, but overall, I'm not happy with the Jabra Elite 65T. I would still prefer my AirPods over them, or I would definitely prefer the Anchor Soundbuds Curve. If you see my last video, they even work, to my opinion, better just because of the price range. The Jabra Elite 65T at $170 does not cut it for me. So guys, that wraps up for this review. I hope you liked it. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment. It's going to do this channel a lot of good, and I will appreciate it very, very much. Also, I will be doing a giveaway on these Jabra Elite 65T. Please stay tuned for that in tomorrow's video. I will explain in detail how the free giveaway will go down. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this. Again, please subscribe and join in my social media. It will be appreciated. Alright guys, peace.